would like to share my experience with cybersquare. Cybersquare is a great platform for learning. It helped me to discover coding at a young age. The sessions were great and I was able to understand everything we learned. So let me show you a few of my projects.
So this is my calculator, and the operation that can be done with it are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's see how to use it. Now I'm going to show you my website. So let's see it.
So as you saw, I made a calculator and website thanks to cybersquare. So I really enjoyed the training and yes, I would certainly recommend it to everyone.